Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 8. The oxidation state of chlorine in HOCl, HClO3 and HClO4 are respectively dash. Now these are so we are asked to find the oxidation state of chlorine in each of the following compounds. Now in the first compound, which is HOCl, the oxidation state of chlorine here would definitely be -1. Is -1. That's the oxidation state of chlorine. Now for the next compound, which is HClO3, now to calculate the oxidation state of chlorine here, we'll have the oxidation state of hydrogen to be 1, that of chlorine, which we don't know, let's call it plus C, then plus 3 multiplied by the oxidation state of oxygen, which is -2, is equal to 0. From this we can say Cl is equals to, now 3 times -2 will give us -6, so we have 6 here taken to the right hand side and then -1, so Cl is equals to plus 5. Then for HClO4, it will give us 1 plus Cl plus 4 multiplied by -2 equals 0, so this will give us Cl is equals to 8 minus 1, and that is equals to plus 7. So the oxidation state of chlorine in the following compounds are -1, plus 5 and plus 7, and that is option A. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.